isa pa po is, to build a family, you should be a wise father or wise foundation o founder, di ba? If you are matino na tao, you should discipline your people, di ba?
Yes.
You are claiming,
You are the role model.
yes, you are claiming something that you are not the one who's starting it. You're like that, pero wala kang ginagawa to calm down your people, to calm down the people who support you. You are
Yes.
just letting they become
No.
what they want to be, di ba? Kayo lang din yung nagiging rason bakit nasisiraan yung mga iniidolo nyo.
Kaya nga, diba? Hindi naman
Yes.
sa kanila personally babalik yung mga paninira
Doon
nila.
din sa sinusuportahan nila.
Kung sino yung sinusuportahan nyo, guys. Kasi, it's ito na yung, ng mga bawat supporters. Pero, hindi naman nyo dapat, hindi naman kayo doon dumidirekta sa mga supporters talaga na aawayin sila. Kundi, dinadamay din po. Siyempre, doon na sila sa kung sino yung iniidolo nun.
Yes, diba? Ang purpose ng live is to talk with you after the long tiring day. Pero yung ginagawa ng iba is gumagawa ng issue sa comment section. So nangyayari, tinatira nila, not understanding it properly na dapat kasi kung sino yung sinusuportahan nyo, so support lang kayo. Kasi both idols that you have are not making any conflicts to each other naman. They accept both kung anong meron na sila. They already, chill about something that what they are into this up to this moment, di ba? Kayo yung nagko-cause ng problem. I'm not talking about the supporters that who are here because they are just waiting what we are saying. I'm talking about someone na, supporter ba kayo o destroyer? Yun lang. If you love your idol peacefully. Yun lang. Huwag na kayo manghimasok ng iba pang bahay. May bahay naman kayo, dyan na kayo sa bahay nyo.
Please subscribe, Role of Malalag.
Racial Morales.
Thank you.